So I've just been practicing my coughing for, well, getting rid of my coughs before I leave, because yesterday, unfortunately, I was in the shop and I started coughing and basically people looked at me like I shat in the middle of the floor of the supermarket. It didn't go down well, and I was like a pariah. So now I've decided I'm going to cough before I go out, even if I don't need to cough. So excuse me. Make sure everything's clear before I go out, and blow my nose as well, I thought, just as an extra when I leave the front door. Right, I'm good to go. Have a great day.